Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2006 GSX-R600. We're going to take a walk around this middleweight sports bike and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. Overall, this bike is in really good condition. Not perfect, but it is in good shape. As you can see, the front end here is in good shape. The mirrors have been removed and blinkers have been put in their place, but it does come with a small side mirror. But as you can see, the front end is in good shape. No rock chips, no big dents, scratches, anything like that. This bike has been tipped over lightly on both sides. On this side, you can see here it's scraped up a little bit of the middle fairing. But other than that, this side of the bike is in very good condition. It has been de-stickered too. Most of the names have been removed. We will be putting a new back tire on it. As you can see, it's also got a fender eliminator on it, along with stand spools. The bike also has a tank pad on it, plus it comes with a passenger seat cowl on it. As you can see, this side it's been tipped over a little bit. A little scrape on the middle fairing along with the end of the frame slider. It also has a little tiny crack, I shouldn't say a little tiny crack, but it's small, in the bottom of the lower fairing as well. This bike does have just a little over 20,000 miles on it. Let me show it to you here. 20,035. Oh, I'm going to set the camera down so I can start it. But as you can hear, it fires right up, runs really nice. No valve train ticking, nothing like that. This GSX-R will be going through our 24-point pre-sale inspection. Also comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.